I'm going to show you how to make this wide charm holder pendant. If I was to add a jump ring to an oval ring, it'll naturally fall like this due to gravity. But what if I actually want it to hang horizontally, balanced like this? Now you could solder it, or there is another way. What I can do is wire wrap along the top and have a jump ring or secure ring right in the middle. I'm going to first make sure I have enough wire for the job. And what I'm going to do first is, I think I'm not going to use a jump ring, so I want to make sure that the loop that I make is going to be big enough for the chain to go through. So I am just going to do the loop exactly the way I want. So I'm just going to do it like this. So eventually it will hang that way. Now, to prevent it from flipping, you don't want one side to go this way, the other one to go that way. You want both sides to be even. So, like this. And you can use a tape measure to measure the middle, but I'm going to do this, and then for the sake of this video, I am thereafter going to adjust it until it is weight balanced. So it's right here. I'm going to press down on this, secure it like such, right here. So both sides and with the help of pliers. While I hold the wire in position with one pair of pliers, I use the other to guide and wire wrap along the jump ring, removing any slack and pulling it tight at each round so that it will be secure. It's okay, it's still shifting. We can adjust that later and pinch it down to secure the position. And we just want to make sure that also whatever number we do on this side, we do the same on the other. I'm going to speed up the video here so you can see the process without taking too long, but basically I hold it down, and I'm severely right-handed, so I hold it with my right hand as I go around and around with my left, and I tighten the coil at each round so that there's no slack. But okay, so this just to even both sides, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to trim it. Shifts still. Now I'm going to make sure that it is centered, and then we press down. And as you press, tighten the coil. So now it won't move. If you don't like the look, I like the look of flattened coil, but if you don't like it, do it this way. It's not as noticeable. So there. And now I'm ready to thread onto the chain. And you see, it's completely balanced right and left, so it worked. And this is when you add a drop. And if it is the case you want to have many drops, and you want them to be fanned out, you can add jump rings in between the drops. and that will give you space. If you have found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.